Lime ball press before pressing materials to prepare work. Lime industry blast furnace production needs concentrate. Lime ball press pellet production also needs concentrate. Pelletizing raw materials should have certain particle size, suitable moisture, uniform and good chemical composition, which are important guarantees for the production of lime pellets. In general, the quality of imported ore is good, with high grade, fine particle size, and other characteristics. After adding part of imported lime, raw ball compressive strength and falling strength can be improved. Our company is the first in the domestic development of the corresponding lime ball press, put into production, has achieved good results. Because the strength of the pellet and the pressure of the lime ball press machine itself is inseparable, the particle size is finer, the shape of the material particle is changed, the surface activity is enhanced, and the pelletizing performance is greatly improved.